Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. You ever wondered if you can put up a fence in the winter? Well, that's what we're going to do today, so let's get going.
Hi, I'm Joshua Nipper. After 26 years of Army service, I found a new mission, creating strong, beautiful wood fences that transform homes. Follow our channel as I share expert tips, inspiration, and the passion that drives everything we do.
Okay, before we get going, as you can see, we took down the old fence and now we're going to put up the new fence. But before we get going, I want to talk about PostMaster Posts, a post that we use here at Nipper Fence Company. This is a lifetime warranty steel post, and it is specifically designed for wood fences. So I'm going to show a video of me driving one so you can see how it goes into the ground. But essentially, this post will get drove into the ground, and the 2x4 rails will come up and butt into this and get anchored to the back. You'll have a 3-rail system. So very, very solid post, very good. Comes with a lifetime warranty. I think it's rated for 77 mile-an-hour winds, I believe. So super good post. So the first thing we're going to do here to get this fence line put in, we're going to put our 2 end posts in, and then we'll run our string line off our 2 end posts. So let's get going. Sometimes if you hit a root or a rock, sometimes you need a little extra juice to pound it through. All right, so there you go. That's how we pound one of those PostMaster posts. So stay with us, we got more to do. Okay guys, here it is, the completed fence. It was a cold one, but we turn the camera around. Maybe I'll just do it like this. It was a little fence, but it was a good video to show that you can build fence in the winter. So stay tuned for future episodes. We're going to do the video of the whole fence job, and I will monetize as we go through the job. But there you go. You can do a fence in the winter, and in all honesty, it's probably better to do a fence in the winter if you don't want to fight competition and wait for your fence. In summer, fence companies are really busy, so you're gonna have to wait a long time. In the winter, you can usually get right in. All right guys, see you on the next one.